basic moves like gobble, gobble, and we'll get all into that. However, first I'm gonna need you to warm your muscles up and get really warm. I need you to stretch because it's the winter time and your muscles are getting really cold, and ideally you want your muscles to be pretty hot. So you don't need to pull any of those turkey legs before Christmas, okay? But let's just get into it, some basic stretching. I'm not gonna recommend that you do anything I'm doing because I'm not a medical professional or a fitness instructor. I'll warm up. I'm just gonna do some simple knee ups. I'm gonna get my knee just a little bit above 90 degrees. And I'm gonna point my foot for the first 8 times I do it, and then I'm gonna flex my foot the second time, just get my body moving. And I'm also gonna circle my arms in a bent position. So just gonna do a couple of these. Get my blood flowing. Now we're gonna I don't want to cause anyone to have an injury, so just go ahead and do whatever you need to do to get warmed up and stretched out. So, at this point, keep my muscles warmed up and get something nice and easy. I'm going to do some jump roping. I think that 60 jumps is a good number. So for like the last part of the warm-up exercise for twerking like a turkey, I just have my feet almost parallel and almost closed in first position, but there's a little tiny space, and you're just gonna take your arms. I'm just gonna take my arms, and as I'm going up, I'm gonna close my shoulder blades to go inside. And now I'm going to go inside this way. So like, please stretch before you start twerking like a turkey because you really don't want to be breaking your turkey legs this season. So I'm curious, like, is anybody else keeping up with The Masked Singer right now? Because I was really upset in the episodes, like the one that aired on December 10th and the one that aired before that. I posted a video about The Masked Singer saying that I knew that the butterfly was Michelle Williams because I just can hear her voice and I know what it sounds like. And she got sent home on December 10th, I think that's when the episode aired, and the person that she went against got to stay, and I was really upset by that because I was like, no wonder why Melody Thornton isn't part of the Pussycat Dolls right now, because like, you have Nicole Scherzinger sitting over here fantasizing about her relationship with the Thingamajig or whichever character it was that went against Michelle Williams, and I feel like because of this like fake story that Nicole put out of her loving that Masked Singer and wanting to go on a date with him, that it kind of overshadowed Michelle's talent to whoever was voting for who could stay, because like she sang really well, and I'm just so upset that she had to go home. Like, why do y'all think that Michelle had to go home? I'm very curious because to me it seems like there's a pattern and I don't like what I'm seeing because the week before, Patti LaBelle got sent home and I'm like, nobody can sing as well as Patti LaBelle can. Like her range is just amazing and she has so much more power and like ad-libs and she's just amazing. So it's like, how did two of the best singers on the show already go home? Because I bet you that whoever else behind the mask ain't that good. And I don't know why they're still there. However, Adrienne Bailon is definitely the flamingo. And I'll take some bets on that. So let me know what y'all think about that. So now that we're stretched out, we're gonna start twerking like a turkey. I'm gonna break down some of the basic moves for you so you can repeat it or do it if you want to. And then we're gonna put it together. We're gonna put all together there, okay? So like, this is kind of like how you need to begin every twerk ever. You don't need to go straight for the booty. You need to show everybody what's up. So first you need to get onto your walk. So the first part, twerking like a turkey, is you're gonna walk with your hand out and sway. Except for like, you're a turkey. You know, like chickens and turkeys, they kind of go like that. So you need to put your head down and up, down, up, down. So you're gonna have a limp in your left leg and your hand's gonna follow your head. So you're gonna limp on the left. Limp. Alright, so the first part of your twerk out, you're gonna need to just do a basic walk. And as soon as you do your basic walk and let everybody know what's up, you're gonna start hipping and dipping. Because if you're a turkey, you don't walk level-headed. You're gonna have to go in and out. So you're gonna go, start on the left leg, hand out, left, left, left. Then you're gonna turn around, and you're gonna do it again, except for you're gonna start dipping. Dip, dip, dip. Left, dip, dip, dip. Now put your hand to it. Dip, dip. Dip, dip. So, the best way to start off any twerk after your walk, you're just gonna go dip, up, stretch up all the way. So from your last dip, you're gonna go dip, down, up. So faster, dip, down, up. So from up here, you're gonna break down into a T. Break down into a T, and then break down and start twerking. So, let's put this together, y'all. So, you're gonna start twerking in a normal position. Put your hands on your legs and back it up. Real slow. We're gonna go for our next move. So, you're here, and you're gonna back it up. And now, you're gonna move that turkey head. Hands up. And dip. Now you're gonna dip. 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 2, 3, 4. Dip. 2, 3, 4. Dip. 2, 3, 4. Put your hands into it. Dip. 2, 3, 4. Dip. 2, 3, 4. Dip. 2, 3, 4. Up. Twerk. 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 Hands on your legs. Gobble, gobble, eat food. Gobble, gobble, eat food. Now you can get into your straddle. Stretch out your straddle, feel your hips. Pants are kind of tight, so I'm not going too wide, but this part, twerking like the turkey, is just like you're getting ready to get stuck. So you're gonna have your straddle, open up your butterfly, open up your elongated butterfly. Now you're getting basted. So have your hands behind you like this, head up in the sky, move your chest, twerk, 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 leg, 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 leg swing. Now, after that, we're gonna get up and twerk. So we're gonna go. Now you're gonna go tabletop and twerk. We're gonna do the same thing, okay? Gobble, gobble, eat food. So y'all, I'm exhausted, and I hope you got the gist of it. The most important part is just putting it all together, putting your own attitude into it, and twerking in general. This involves isolating one part of your body, and you're just going for it. So we'll put this all together in the breakdown. Double. All right. Whew, y'all, I am exhausted. I was supposed to do Zumba before I did this, but the class was canceled. I'm kind of glad because I am dead. So I hope that y'all enjoyed twerking like a turkey and that you really tell everybody about it this holiday season. Remember, the main moves for twerking like a turkey are its dance moves. So you got your tail feather move, you got your dip, dip, 2, 3, 4, dip. And after your dip, you go to your breakdown, you go up, down, down, here, legs, 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 here, here, down, up, down, up. And then you can do whatever you want to get to the floor. You can do a high kick, or, you know, if you don't like that, just roll on the floor. Just get on the floor, and then you do a little turn, butterfly, open, hands back, and you're gonna do the same thing. You're gonna go here, gobble, cluck, cluck, and you're gonna do some leg swings. You can stop at your heel, you can go over. After that, you're gonna go into cobra. And then you go to tabletop. You're gonna twerk however you want to. Then you're gonna gobble, gobble, cluck, cluck, and then turn, and you're done. And you just learned how to twerk like a turkey. I hope everyone's having a really good holiday season. I hope you guys all have a really good holiday season. I would just like to mention that this video was suggested to me by Lorena Mitchell and Lorena. I hope you're having a fun time on El Crucero. I hope you have a good time, and thank you for inspiring me to this video. Y'all, I'm out of breath, but y'all need to keep your muscles warm, especially if you're trying to dance this season. It is cold outside. You do not want to hurt yourself. I have been posting all my Christmas music on SoundCloud, and I'll leave a link in that below. This is day 5 of 12 Holly Jolly Jani Days. Thank you for watching. I'll see you later. Happy holidays, y'all.